Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X80 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open your browser. In my case it will be Chrome. Let's tap and wait, and here let's choose the three dots icon, which will open the settings. Here let's choose the history. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously opened websites. In order to close only one of it, to delete it, simply tap on this X button right next to it, for example this one, and as you can see it simply disappears. Let's go to the clear browsing data in order to delete all of it. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we can set to delete browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. Let's go to the advanced, and as you can see you can also remove, for example, saved passwords, autofill form data and site settings. What's more, you can set the time range, all time, or simply last hour or last 24 hours. Let me pick all time, and if you are ready, click on clear data. Your device will ask you if you want to clear also this data. Let me pick clear. Let's wait, and as you can see the history has been cleared and nothing have left. So that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your DOOGEE X80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.